Bonjour, fellow travelers. Welcome to Globe Explorer. Today, we're taking on a challenge. Enjoying the beautiful city of Paris in just 24 hours with only $50. Is it possible? Let's find out together as we uncover hidden gems, indulge in local flavors, and soak in the Parisian culture, all without breaking the bank. Our day begins with a quintessential Parisian breakfast. We found a charming neighborhood bakery where we can grab a delicious croissant and a coffee for just $5. It's the perfect way to start our adventure, savoring the authentic taste of Paris. With breakfast in hand, we take a leisurely stroll along the Seine River. The morning light casts a magical glow over the city, and the best part? Enjoying these stunning views and the serene atmosphere costs nothing. As we walk, let's soak in the history and charm of Paris, from the iconic bridges to the riverside bookstores. Next, we head to the Musée Moderne de la Ville de Paris, a hidden gem offering free entry. Inside, we explore fascinating art exhibits, discovering pieces that capture the essence of Parisian creativity. Free attractions like this are perfect for budget travelers, allowing us to experience the culture without spending a dime. Remember, many museums have free entry days or times, so always check before you go. Lunchtime calls for a true Parisian experience. We visit a local market to buy some fresh produce, a baguette, cheese, and fruit, all for just $10. Then we head to Parc de Buttes-Chaumont for a delightful picnic. It's a great way to enjoy the local cuisine and the beautiful outdoors without splurging. Picnicking is not only budget-friendly, but also lets us immerse ourselves in the local lifestyle. Our journey continues to Montmartre, an area brimming with artistic history and vibrant streets. We make our way to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, where entry is free. From the top, we're rewarded with breathtaking views of Paris. Wandering through Montmartre streets, we soak in the artistic vibes, and if we're lucky, we might catch a free street performance. Don't forget to check out the budget-friendly souvenirs in this area. As evening approaches, it's time for dinner. We find a local food truck offering tasty and affordable options like crepes and falafel for around $7. Street food is a fantastic way to enjoy local flavors without spending too much. Finally, we end our day at Trocadero, the perfect spot to witness a breathtaking sunset with the Eiffel Tower as our backdrop. This incredible view is free and offers one of the best photo opportunities in Paris. What an adventure it's been! We've explored Paris, tasted delicious food, and soaked in the culture, all on a shoestring budget. Remember, with a bit of planning and a sense of adventure, you can experience the best of any city without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on where you'd like to see me travel next. Until then, safe travels, fellow explorers.